In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create and use an interactive overlay in Figma. Overlays are perfect for menus, modals, and tooltips because they sit on top of your current screen without navigating away, letting people stay focused while getting extra information or options. Start by opening your design in Figma. Make sure you can see the main screen where the overlay will appear. Next, create the overlay UI, things like a menu, a modal, or a tooltip in its own separate frame. Keeping overlays in a dedicated frame makes them easy to manage and reuse across your prototype. Give the frame a clear name so it's easy to find later, and size it to the content so it doesn't feel too large or cramped. Now switch to the Prototype tab in the right sidebar. This is where we connect your trigger, the button or icon, to the overlay. Click the element that should open the overlay, and you'll see a small circular interaction node on its right edge. Drag that node onto the overlay frame you created. This links the two, so Figma knows which overlay to show. With the connection selected, configure the interaction. For the action, choose Open Overlay. This tells Figma to display your overlay on top of the current screen rather than navigating away. Then set the position. You can choose options like centered or top left for quick placements, or pick manual for precise control. Manual placement lets you anchor the overlay exactly where you want it relative to the trigger, which is great for tooltips and context menus. To help users focus, enable Add Background Behind Overlay. This adds a subtle dark scrim behind the overlay. Adjust the opacity so it dims the background enough to provide contrast without overwhelming the screen. Finally, turn on close when clicking outside. This makes the overlay feel natural and interactive, allowing users to dismiss it by clicking anywhere outside the overlay itself. When everything is set, click Present or the Play button to preview your prototype. Interact with the trigger to open the overlay. Check its alignment and spacing, and make sure the background scrim and dismissal behavior feel right. If anything looks off, return to the Prototype tab to tweak the position or opacity until it matches your design intent. That's it. Thanks for watching.